How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can manually calibrate the GameSir G7 Pro controller. Now I'm using a GameSir controller right here that's in a different color, but you just have to follow along in order to make this work. The first thing that you want to do is to connect your controller onto your computer using a USB port connection, a Type-C onto your computer, and basically you will be able to use your controller normally right here. Now, once inside the controller tester, or once after being connected to your computer, basically you have to press on this three buttons simultaneously, which is going to be the Xbox button in the middle and the two buttons right beside it like this. So you just have to press this three buttons simultaneously, and from there, the light in the middle will then turn off. Now, after turning off, you want to press on the A button once, and then we can calibrate it from here. The first thing that you want to do is to turn your controller circular. So you want to turn this for around 5 to 6 times. And then you want to press your trigger for around 5 to 10 times. And lastly, you can then press the A button once more, and then the power will turn back on, or the light will turn back on in the middle. That means that you have successfully calibrated your G7 Pro controller. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.